This short guide explains how to buy shares of STEM Inc. on a trading platform. STEM Inc. focuses on energy storage systems and software. It is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker STEM, and this is educational content, not financial advice. You will need a broker to place orders. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker STEM to find the listing. Confirm the result corresponds to STEM Inc. on NASDAQ to reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart for context. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker STEM match so you have the right asset. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set according to your order type. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to the eToro example is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.